Hi guys, welcome to my channel Programming with D. Myself Hari Rajamalu, and today we are going to study about Python. Python is a very easy language. You can start with a coding journey and it is the most preferable language. So let's jump into computer screen and let's get started. Guys, I've came here on the Python site and you have to simply install it by clicking on this button. I will put this link on the description. You can go on this site by there and you have to click on this setup, and I have installed Python already on my system. So let's search for IDLE. You please install the Python and all settings should be default, and please correctly install the Python. And I've installed Python, and this is a shell 3.9.5. Versions may differ because of the time you have installed. New versions came, and first I will tell you how to create a variable. So first we have to write like this: a. We can assign any name to a variable here. Then a is equals to 10. I am assigning variable a as value 10. So let's let's print the value of a. Then you have to write print then a, like so. I've assigned a as value 10 integer form, and it has print. So we have learned like how to create a variable, how to print them, and basically variable are some containers which contain values. We assign them. It could be a string, decimal value, string, boolean, any value. So let us create a string and concatenate through variable. So first for concatenation, I will explain the concatenations. First, create a variable and assign it as a value of 2. Then let's create a variable as c and assign its value as a string, like hello world. So I have assigned c as value hello world, and now I will concatenate them. So for concatenating, I simply write here b multiplied by c. Then it will be like hello world string is printed 2 times because b value is 2. Then you can see hello world, and here also hello world. So concatenation basically means multiplying a value to a string value. So you cannot do any mathematical operation of between integer and a string. Addition is not allowed and subtraction is not allowed. Only multiplication is allowed. So I've told you how to perform some functions. There are many functions on Python we can perform with the variables. So I will tell you some more functions in the next video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video, and till the next video, goodbye.